Greetings everyone, it's Mabaso Ayanda here. Today we are going to focus on proving ama-vectors. Here we've got the ama-vectors on the negative side and on the positive side. Here we are told ukuthi sikhombise ukuthi kanjena leli side elingapha liyalingana leli ngapha, although le side yabo sekune i-dot khona si-negative ngapha si-positive, but if usuwaphuva ukuthi kumele alingane siyazi ukuthi from ama-basics ethu i-cross product ethu sisuke sibheka into ekumele ibe nani ibe ne-magnitude ne-direction, then i-dot product yethu kuba yinto ekumele ibe ne-magnitude kuphela. So la before siqale kufanele sibe nale key le, because angithi siyazi ukuthi la u-A, B, C wethu ama-vectors. So this key will say as sino-A vector, u-A vector uzoba nama-component. It's AX, AY, AZ. Then B vector, BX, BY, BZ. C vector, CX, CY, and CZ. This will help us ukuthi sikhona ukuprova lo ukuthi both sides ethu ayalingana. So ukuze-ke sikhona ukwaprova ukuthi wonke lama side ayalingana, singasebenzisa noma iliphi side, but here singaqala ngokusebenzisa leli side elingapha. Siyazi ukuthi i-cross product yethu kumele ibe in a form of I, J and K yangithi, and i-cross product yethu kumele mayibuya ibe in standard basics okubani I, J and K. It's I minus J plus K. So kumele siqale with the one inside the brackets. Angithi uyazi ukuthi mawenza lapha i-maths kuthiwani bomdas uqala from the brackets before uye ngaphandle. Shuthi la siyofocusa kwi-bracket lethu. It's A, it's B cross C. Angithi sesibuya in the form I, J, K. So u-B wethu in the form of I, it's X, Y, and Z. X, CY, CZ. If ucrossa lana-ke, angithi sivala leli side, masifuna leli side elifunayo ilona olivalayo. Then ucrossa lawa asele ngapha. Shuthi-ke masifuna i-cross product yethu la, cross product of A and B, of B and C, shuthi sizothini? Sesivala la, angithi sivala la. Masivala la sekuzoba ubani? It's CZ, BY minus BZ, CY. In the I direction, because sifuna u-I yangithi. Then mase sifuna u-J wethu sesithi minus, because u-J wethu sithe kuma cross products u-negative. Then sesivala this side of u-J, sesikrossa this one. Sisithi CZ, BX minus u-BZ, CX in the J direction plus sivala la scrossa this one okuzoba okay, it's CY, BX minus BY, CX oku K direction yami okubani okuya ma Z axis. Then if sibuka la thina besingafuni cross product kuphela, sesiqedile ngale inside the brackets. Sesiqedile in the form of I, J and K. I, J, K wethu ama-standard bases angithi akhona. So ama-direction, this is the magnitude, direction, and the magnitude and the direction. So ukuze sithole i-cross product, i-dot product of of A with then u-B cross C, singakhona ukuletha u-B cross C wethu ebe something. Lapho singathi u-B cross C abe u-T. Yaletha u-B cross C abe u-T. It's fine, noma ungabuyisa this equation as it is, kusafana, sayi-same thing. So sizothini? It's A dot T. Kuzoba seku-equal to, angithi u-T wethu say this one, la siceda kuyenza ekuqaleni. So u-A wethu si-multiply in each and every component. Kuma Z kuma-x component simultiply with i-cross product yethu simultiply kuma-y component cz bx minus bz cx. Wama-direction asiwabuyisi because la asiwabuyisi-ke manje ama-direction. Angithi la bona ukuthi la sesisebenza ini dot product. I-dot product yethu sifuna kube i-magnitude kuphela. So ama-direction la asisawasebenzisi ne. Sesibuya sesithini la ithi ama-y wethu plus az cy bx minus by cx. Then-ke from ukuthi vele yazi itheme ethini sesenze njani into mawukade uyikhiphe as i-common factor ngakhona uyibuyisela ngaphakathi angithi. So sizoyi-multiplya ngaphakathi kuwo konke lokhu kuzothi by minus ax bz cy minus it's ay multiplied by cz bx. Angithi niyabona from here we have ama-negative o2. If we multiply i-negative by i-negative sithola in positive sign. Then it's ay bz cx plus az cy bx minus az wami ebe by cx. Sesiyitholile into yethu in the standard sine-formula of ini i-magnitude kuphela. Angithi yabo i-direction yethu sigcine from ama-cross products u-I, J and K. Mase siya ngapha asawafaka ama-direction. Into yethu iyi-magnitude kuphela. Thola ukuthi lento le ayisiyo inama-alphabet. Thola ukuthi iyi-number kuphela. Lento le uzoyishaya nge-calculator khiphele nje just a simple number, simplified number. Then sesilitholile this side elingapha. Sesiqedile ngaleli side elingapha. Ngithi sifuna ukuthi sifuna ukuthola ukuthi kanje naleli side leli liyalingana naleli lingapha. So thina siqale ngani nge-left hand side yethu. So we just consider our right hand side. Okay. Our right hand side ke ithini right hand side yethu? Ithi negative b dot into a vector times c vector. So sesiqala ngani nge-inner function la ngaphakathi ngithi. Okay. Sesenza ini is the right hand side okuba negative b dot a cross c. Siqala nge-cross product yethu a cross c. Angithi yabo ama-cross products alawo two awafani, but we can manage ukuthi siwathole i-conclusion yala ifanele ngapha. Sithini sithe it's in the form of I, J, K. Uzoba ukuthi ama-A vector y az then cx cy cz then you cross as ishilo ukuthi mawufuna lo uyamvala uvala lo cross la kaba u2 it's ay cz minus az cy. It's the I direction minus sivale lo j. Ngise sifuna u-j sisivala yena sekuba bani ax cz minus az cx in the j direction. Then plus this one esisiyamvala naye k direction it's ax cy minus ay cx in the k direction. Okay, from here angithi siyabona lento le yethu ikuma standard basis and le bese siyenze sayi-simplify sayenza yaba i-magnitude. So nale kumele siyenze ibe i-magnitude only. So ukuze sithole lo singabuyisa lo as ithizi njengade ngishiye eqaleni ukuthi ungayiletha the inner function ube something or ungaqhubeka from la sizoyithatha le uthi negative b. Okay, it's negative b a cross c lade siqeda kuyenza la ngaphezulu. So lento yethu sizoba yithini? Angithi yabo u-b wethu u-negative. So mayi multiplya u-I wethu or amultiply u-J wethu or u-K wethu uzoba ne-effect. Kwi-negative part uzoba ne-effect e-positive. So lento sizothini? Negative bx into ay cz plus, okay, before, okay, z minus az cy. Asayibuyisi njalo direction yethu angithi. Sesithi minus by. Ngisaba kune-negative sign la. Nala kune-negative sign. So lento yethu sizoba positive into ax cz minus az cx plus negative b on the z-axis times yonke le yethu iwu-ax cy minus ay cx. If usuyimultiplya-ke lento le ngaphakathi, angithi-ke masumultiplya lento le ngaphakathi sizokunikela ubani? Negative bx ay cz plus bx az cy plus by ax cz minus by az cx minus bz. Lo negative lo many times no positive uzoba negative angithi. Then it's bz ax cy many times alana iba positive bz ax cy. Okay, sesiyenzile-ke i-proof yethu sayiqeda, but asika-conclude. Conclusion yethu kufuna ukuthini lento le kuthiwe show angithi ekuqaleni kuthiwa show ukuthini lo uyalingana nalo. So nathi masiconclude kumele siconclude ngokuthini bayalingana by ukuthini siba-prove bowu-two ukuthi bayalingana. Okay, angithi nabo sesiwaphrovile bowu-two ama-side. Sesikhonile ukuthini sithole le side elingapha sathola le side elingapha. Kwaba yini i-magnitude because angithi ekugcineni kwethu kufanele sithole ini i-scalar sethu. La nangapha i-scalar sethu ekugcineni because sesiqala with the inner part okuyini okuyi-cross product. So la sesiyaqhathanisa yowu-two-na-ke lento le yethu ukuthi okay ukuze sithi iyalingana kanjani ama-magnitude ethu shuthi kumele afane. So sesizothini-ke la? If si-check-a la check-a bani? U-negative bx, it's negative bx ay cz. Now ngithi then u-bx az cy, it's bx az cy and it's positive. And cy is by az ax cz, it's positive. Okay, c wethu kumele abe uz angithi, which is this one. Then mase sithini u-by, it's by cx az. Yeah, there is negative by ax cz. There is a negative sign here. And also here there's a negative sign. It's negative bz ax and cy and cy. So it's this one. Lastly it's bz ay and cx. Positive. So singaconclude from here ukuthini the side yethu iyalingana le side because ama-magnitude abayalingana yethu. So conclusion yakho usuzothi therefore u-left hand side wakho uyalingana no-right hand side. Shuthi u-a b cross c is equals to negative b a cross c. Thank you.